Welcome to EDE Aero Classroom. In this tutorial, we will learn about the noun case. First, examine these sentences. John threw a stone. John is the subject. It is the answer to the question, who threw a stone? Threw a stone is the predicate of the sentence, and this predicate had a verb threw. So, what did John throw? A stone. Stone is the object which John threw. The noun stone is therefore called the object. So, the noun John is a subject and stone is the object of the verb threw. So, John is used as the subject of the verb threw and stone is used as the object of the verb threw. So, when the noun is used as the subject of a verb, it is said to be in the nominative case. And when the noun is used as the object of a verb, it is said to be in the objective case. Now, examine this sentence. This is Ram's umbrella. Ram's umbrella means the umbrella belonging to Ram. The form of the noun Ram is changed to the Rams to show ownership. So, the noun Rams is therefore said to be in possessive form, possessive case. So, when a noun is used to denote ownership, possession, authorship, kind, etc., it's said to be in the possessive case. Another example is a mother's love. Shakespeare's plays. So, in the possessive case, noun denotes the possession, authorship, ownership, kind, etc. Now, examine this sentence. Come here, Rama. In this sentence, Rama is the name of person spoken to or addressed. So, we call its case the nominative of address. We can call it vocative case. Other example is, come on boys, come into the garden, Sita. Now, noun in apposition. First, examine this sentence. Ram, our captain, made 60 runs. We see that Ram and our captain are one and the same person. The noun captain follows the noun Ram. Simply to explain which Ram is referred to. So, when one noun follows another to describe it, the noun which follows is said to be apposition to the noun which comes before it. In the above sentence, the noun captain is in the opposition to the noun Ram and is in the nominative case because Ram is in the nominative case. So, a noun in opposition is in the same case as the noun which it explains.